These are the ostrich ferns that grow in my yard, and I've had them for so many years I don't even know where I got them. They're easy to move around, and they just like well-drained soil with lots of organic material, like most plants. And if it gets too dry, they would appreciate watering, reproducing by spores on the bottom of the leaves. But I think they reproduce mostly by forming clumps. They die to the ground each winter or each fall, and then new leaves, a new plant comes up out of the ground, and it just kind of rolls up or unfurls up. They reproduce pretty well, as you can see these here. They're easy to move. Just get a nice big clump of soil, dig a hole before you dig them up, and then just put them in that hole. I like to do all my moving in April when the soil is still cool and moist. Put this clump of dirt with as many roots as possible so you don't break them up, and just put it in the hole at the same level that it was growing before, and then push the dirt back in around it and maybe break up the clump. That's about all there is to moving them, and those are pretty general instructions for moving most plants. Ferns like a nice, shady, moist, cool place. If it's moist and cool and lots of organic material, they'll be very happy. Just dig up a nice big clump, getting as much dirt as possible so you don't break up the roots. Put it in at the same depth it was growing before, and that's all there is to it. Thanks a lot, and if this video has been any help to you at all, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And thanks so much. Goodbye.